Welcome to Access Assignment 2B. This week we learned how to create relationships between different tables in an Access file. As you can see, I created the relationships between the student, contact, and teacher table. The primary key in the student table, the student ID, is a foreign key in the contract table, and the primary key in the teacher table, teacher ID, is a foreign key in the contract table, here teacher ID. In this case, we have a one-to-many relationship, which means that one row in one table is associated with one or more rows in another table. The benefit of relationships is data integrity. Without relationships established between different tables, data integrity is not necessarily guaranteed. But by establishing referential integrity and enabling cascade update related fields, changes of the student ID in the student table will automatically update the student ID in the contract table. Or, for example, the teacher ID will automatically be updated in the contract table too. In a one-to-many relationship, every record, as I said, on one side has one or many in a corresponding table. This means, for example, that I cannot create a contract ID without having a corresponding student or teacher ID. Furthermore, we this week learned how to import data from an Excel spreadsheet or a text file. So I close the relationships field. I go to external data. If I have an Excel spreadsheet that I want to import, I click Excel, and then I would click Browse and search for the corresponding file. I close this field. In case I have a text file, I would click Text File and the same, go to Browse and search for the corresponding text file. If I want to upload data from an external file, it is important that all the headers, all the fields correspond to the table design of the tables I have in my Access data file. So for example, if I take contract, I want to have the same fields: contract ID, student ID, teacher ID, and so on and so forth. This was Access Assignment 2B. Thank you and bye.